169. 2.5 peak horsepower, 10-gallon air compressor. Pretty cool. And then this one is 69. It is 1.3 HP, 2.6 gallon air compressor. Still pretty good. You got drill press. I don't know how much that is. It's got all these tools, big lots. Tools, cheap. Paint sprayer for 29. It's pretty nice. Drill, swivel drill. This is pretty cool. How much is that? It's 45. All kinds of cool tools. Little tool bins. Screwdriver sets for $10. Also come with a bunch of bits. Circular saw 64. It is, I don't know what brand though. That's a Skill brand, it says. Battery powered. Little trim saw. Jazz DV164 59 and JVC GR DA30 139.